Hello friends, today we will discuss about the IRCTC. Is it a multi-bagger stock? We can invest in this. How it is the performance, because last COVID hit it, the shares price was reduced, but now how it is performing? Is it a good for long-term investments? Is it a worth to invest in this corporation? What we can go with the future levels, we'll discuss fundamentally, and next video I'll come with the some of the news of IRCTC and the technical analysis. Indian Railway Catering and Tourism Corporation Limited, we know all this is a IRCTC, is the monopoly in the market. There is no competitors. It is the government corporation. Indian Railway Catering and Tourism Corporation IRCTC is a mini Ratna, which is the Category 1 Central Public Sector Enterprise under Ministry of Railways, Government of India. The Indian government company, how it is performing and what is the fundamentally the company is going through. Is it we can invest in this in long term, because when you are investing in long term we require the fundamental analysis. Technical analysis you can go through the short term investment, so we go through the fundamentally. Let us start now. You can see here Indian Railway about. You can see here Indian Railway Catering and Tourism Corporation IRCTC is a mini Ratna Category 1 Central Public Sector Enterprise under Ministry of Railways. This is a public sector government of India. So this is a mini Ratna Category 1. This is the central government company. Corporation IRCTC was incorporated on 27 September 1999 as an extended arm of Indian Railway to upgrade Indian Railway professionally and manage of the catering and hospitality services at stations. They will give hospitality and catering services on the stations, as we know, on trains and other locations, and to promote domestic and international tourism through development of budget hotels, special tour packages, information and commercial publicity, and global reservation systems. As we know, the in IRCTC, there is their website. You can see here irctc.com. You can click here, you will get to know the details, booking sections, how they will book online. Now almost after COVID it is going to online. They are in long back. Because reservation, if we are going for reservation 2-3 months before, we have to do reservations. This is now due to COVID, it is the share price was reduced, but last week whatever we are seeing the price, it is booming like anything. It is a bullish in market. So let us see. Market cap 52,720 crores. Current price 3,295. We can see here 3,295. The share price high 3,425, low 1,290. Stock P 196, book value 91.7. It is totally trading on very high price if we compare to the book value. Dividend yield 0.15%, return on capital employed 16.5%, return on equity 11.6%, face value 10, PEG ratio minus 64.8. So let us come to the sales price. Will come price, as we see last 1 year it is in upward trend. So now it is trading 3295. So we'll go to the PV ratio it is 195.6. And now let us come to the sales and margin. We can see here May it was good in June 2019. May 2020 it was reduced. As we know, COVID first hit. Due to that, mostly affected organization is this IRCTC, because railway totally completely it was closed. So it was reduced. Sales and margin it was reduced. Again it is increased. So at presently sells 243.37. So let us come to the pros and cons. Company is almost debt free because the company is doing well. Company has a good return on equity, ROC track record 3 years, ROE 26.75, which is very good. Company has maintaining healthy dividend payout ratio 59.70. Now let us come to the cons. Stock is trading 35.94 times book value. It should not trade that much, but it is trading. It is not good for the company. The company has delivered a poor sales growth, minus 0. at minus 10.54 over past 5 years. They will calculate average, and due to COVID again it is went to the minus. Earning include and other income 114.45 CR. Earning include other income. Company has high data 251.73 days. They have to give below these days, but the data days increased. Peer comparison, we cannot do peer comparison with IRCTC to any other company because it is a monopoly in the market. It is the only one king in the market, so there is no competitors. Quarterly results, we can see the differences. Sales, we can see December, these amounts in crores. So December 2018, we can see here 435 crores. March 19, 498 crores. June 19, quarterly result. These are June 19, 459 crores. September 19, 513 crores. December 19, 716 crores. March 2020, 576 crores. June 2020, 131 crores. What happened here? As we know, the COVID first wave hit that time, affected most affected companies the IRCTC. So due to that, it is reduced the sales, but not an issue. September 2020, again due to COVID, it is a second hit. As we know, whatever the situation happened, so due to that the sales was reduced. Again it is started recovering December 2020, March 21 and June 2021. So again it is increasing, so that's not an issue, it will recover easily. We can see a net profit 83 as last quarter. Earning per share 5.16. Profit and loss account, we can see a net profit 297 crores. TTM 190 crore. Obviously March 2021, due to the whatever we are seeing the scenario, we can see the net profit for March 15 to 20. We see here it is continuously in increase, 131, 189, 229, 221, 309, 513. But this we can see March 2021 it was reduced due to the hit of COVID. TTM total trailing 12 months 297. So earning per shares 18.57 average, 11.87 in March 2021. A dividend payout ratio 42%, it is the highest. We can see 98%, one of the highest, 49% and 42%, that is also good. Even sales reduced also, they are giving the good dividend payout ratio. Compounded sales growth 10 years, 5 years minus 11, 3 years minus 19, TTM minus 54. Compounded profit growth TTM minus 35. Stock price CAGR 140%. Return on equity last year 12%. Balance sheet 3166 March 2021, 3241 March 2020. So we can see the differences. It is total asset, they are good 3166. Cash flow minus 252 in negative due to the last scenario whatever happened in the world. So ratios, we can see ROCE 63% in March 2016 and 17% in March 2021. Due to the COVID effect it is reduced. So shareholding patterns, promoter 67.14, FIIs 8.07, DIIs 11.29, public 13.25. So any documents you can go through this. So as we know the details, I will come through the one more video. I can tell you can invest or not. As we are seeing the fundamentally you can invest, because long term run it is a very good stock. Now might be next week the market correction will happen in small level because the rate is high now about this stock. After that you can invest for the long term. It is a gem in the stock, so you can invest. If you have any doubt and queries guys, please keep your message in comment box. And thanks for watching the video. Thanks your lot of love and support. Thank you guys. Take care. Bye bye.